What's up, YouTube? So, a little tip for you. If your shower is like dripping and leaking, normally it's a problem, it's going to be inside the cartridge. So, before you run to the store and get anything, try to figure out what brand you have. So, this is a Delta, and I know there's Moen and a couple other versions. You want to make sure what cartridge you need. If it's dripping here and not stopping, most likely it's going to be the cartridge inside the knob. So before you do anything, there's a little Allen. I don't know actually remember what size, but there's a little set screw here. You want to loosen that up. I already did. And basically, hold on, put that down. This is a cartridge right here. It looks like this. This one already been replaced, but there was another issue. I'm gonna also explain that one. So this is what the Delta cartridge look like. You can get gasket, and there's two gasket here, one here. I did replace gasket on them before, but the issue is still there. So it's always best to me personally just to replace the entire thing. It's a little bit costly, but you stop the dripping. So anyways, and the second issue that I run into is, I never actually run into this before, is that the water is not as hot. So if you run into it, if you replace a cartridge, the leakage stop, and you found out that your shower is not getting hot, you can adjust that if you want to. There's a little, this thing right here, if we can focus. You want to pull this piece out. Let's see if we can do it with one hand. You want to pull that out and then turn it. You can turn it so you can see it comes out. And you adjust it. If you go to the left, it's gonna be hotter, and you go to the right, of course, colder. But if you want a colder shower, a hotter shower, you want to go to the left. Just pull it out and turn it to the left. I don't know if you can focus, but there's a little, it's hard to see, but you just basically pull this out and then turn it, and then push it back in to kind of lock it back into place, and that will adjust your temperature to hot or cold. So hope that helps. Let me know what you guys think. If you run into this problem before, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe and share this video. I appreciate you. Catch you guys later.